If you want to add pedometer to the home screen on OnePlus 15R, what you can do is you can simply press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen, and then we can go to widgets in the bottom left corner. Now in here in widgets you should be able to find the step tracker, so you can go over here and add the widget to the home screen. It is also recommended to tap on the step tracker in order to grant all the necessary permissions, and there we go, we have our pedometer in here. Now what you can also do is you can use another app, which is the Fitbit app made by Google. If you don't have it, then you can just go to the Play Store and you can simply search for the app and get it for free. So once you have the app, of course, we want to open it. You will have to sign into, for example, a Google account to set up your profile, which is not really that complicated. And of course, you will need to grant some permissions to be able to use the app. You can also adjust the steps that you want to do daily. If you tap on your profile here in the upper right corner, then you can go to Fitbit settings, then in here go to activity, and then in here we can adjust steps per day. So, alright, so another thing is, of course, we can add that app or that widget to the home screen as well. So we're gonna do exactly the same thing and then go to Fitbit and then use this 2x2 Fitbit steps widget. Now the good thing is that we can actually resize this widget. We can make it much smaller if you want to, or extra big in case that's what you want to do, of course. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.